All right, welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Today we are back in the garage with Mark. Yay! And today we are working on his Kawasaki. Wow, Kawasaki. And we are putting on new handlebars. This shouldn't be too bad because they are externally wired, saving us hours and hours and hours of work, thank God. So let's roll that intro and get into this.
All the videos that I've looked at say that these screws here I gotta pull off and they're really super soft. Not so bad, not so bad.
I've also heard rubber bands help.
Yes.
Do you have rubber bands?
No. We're just gonna be careful.
So right now we're removing all the controls.
I gotta make sure that I gotta finish the bottom one. There's a bottom one.
Oh, there is.
Yeah, right here.
Don't ever forget about the bottom, y'all.
So theoretically, they should slide off now once I cut this.
I mean, it should also just...
Yes, and we're gonna disconnect those cables. Let me just cut this. It might give us a little bit of more.
Is it time for your Alzheimer's medicine?
It is. My Geritol.
Disconnect.
I heard it on the meeting.
Disconnect. That's why you put a blanket down, y'all.
Within Matt's shoes. Just break it. There we go.
Do you know what hex bit that was?
For
The one you used to unscrew them? I know, but like what Allen size it was?
it was just a screw.
Was it this one?
Yes.
I love how they don't tell you the sizes on them.
Yeah, I don't know.
So you need this size hex bit.
It was that one.
Yeah, it was that one.
We're gonna get all technical. It was that size. Jojo really wants to come say hi to you. She might have to come out for a cameo.
Just need to train them damn dogs.
They are untrainable.
Yeah, today you're my sexy assistant.
So, now it is just pulling the bars and spacers out. Like I want to take this brake line off and run it to the front of the triple trees because I can't get this whole assembly to the front, and it's only the brake line that I have to do that with. Drop, you bastard. Let me just run this. Go with it.
Lean with it, rock with it.
Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it.
Would you like some help? I don't know what I can help you with. We're at this point.
Nothing yet.
I feel like I should be afraid for you, the fact that those are coming loose that easily with only a 6-inch Allen key.
Yeah, I agree. Kind of agree. The amount that we pull on these things.
But it's also Japanese, so it's not like it vibrates a lot.
This is also true.
Jojo!
That's it.
Ugh! Thanks, at my car. Did Black Cloud do this to you? Is he the one who finally convinced you to get new handlebars?
Yeah, I sat on this bike. I'm like, oh, this is nice. I like the reach. These won't be as high as his, but they should be higher than what I had with the risers. Should be. But it's a better look. Oh, I'm gonna take those off. The risers. These are a pain.
3/4? That's about what it feels like.
Well, no, they're going to be metric. No, though, actually, you know what? Those are, you're correct. Those are standard. Let's see how good you are. I can't remember how I even got through these because
Did you have to take off your fairing?
I might have done it with a really long extension coming up. So, got that.
This is where that flex joint would come in great use.
Yeah, might not even be the right size enough. I've already gone through all this.
Do you want me to position the tire specific way?
Turn it. That didn't help. Can you see if the socket will go on?
No.
Okay, so I guess go up one size.
7/8.
Oh, good. It's not moving. I might need one more extension. Hold on. I got another problem. Once I take these off,
You don't have your original attachment hardware, do you?
yes, somewhere. I just don't know where.
It's JoJo time! JoJo time. JoJo and Rocky. Yes, okay, back in. Back in. Seems like it's moving. Very slowly.
Wow. Is it spinning up there?
It's turning up here.
Try this so it doesn't scratch anything.
Okay. Oh, there it goes.
Wow. That was interesting.
Note to self, there's washers there.
Yeah. Okay, other side.
Halfway done.
I lost the washer. Or two washers. Neither washer fell. I saw it. I got it. I don't know where the other one went though.
And so now we are gonna go look for those original attachment hardwares for the original handlebars, since he isn't gonna be using the risers, because or else otherwise we're gonna have to switch out all the wiring and we don't want to do that. So let's go look for them.
20 minutes later.
And we're back and we think we found a bolt. So we're gonna try that. That's right. Woo! Quick time to shout out, if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram tag is @FatBoyBobBiker. I'll just put it up right here. Go ahead and follow me. Get up to news dates on things coming up on the channel and everything like that. And things that are happening right now. You'll get them much quicker than what's on the channel. So go give me a follow. Thanks. Getting back to the regular pay-per-view program.
I'm just gonna use the metal.
I honestly think it'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm just...
You might get a little bit more vibration. Ooh. The moment of truth. Duh. Ooh, they even got a nice pullback to them a little bit.
What's that? What did we do with the...
You probably put it back.
Why would I do something stupid like that?
Because your name is Mark.
Yes.
Actually, I feel like I just saw it not too long ago over here.
Yeah, I think it's still out there somewhere.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, where did I put it?
I hear Black Cloud.
How's everything?
It's good. How was your Maryland trip?
Oh god, I don't have an ass crack.
Oh, sweet baby.
Oh, you found one?
Found it.
Oh, you found it? Where was it?
Over on the gray. On the little gray thing.
Come here. Come on. Come say hi to me. Okay, there you go. Come on. Come here. Come on, you say hi. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna put this right here
Okay.
so we don't lose it again.
Let me feel it. Give me a second. It's tiny. Keep tiny. Yep.
You visualizing holding the nut?
Something else. Because I'm kind of like hooking in.
The booty hole? Different angles help.
Is that better?
No. I tried. I tried to reach it. And
Is it on there?
you know what they say? Fake it till you make it. You didn't make it. No, no.
Why is this conversation all so sexual?
Oh, look at the people conversation.
Oh, you're right in, baby. Come on. Twist it.
Twist it good.
Papi chulo. The same one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially when you're turning, you should have not full lock, but just the slightest bend.
You gotta keep going.
Found it. Got you a really long one.
He's an overachiever.
Okay.
Good luck with it.
It works.
Look how far back you have to hold it. Oh my god!
Look at that leverage. Look at that bend.
More power, baby!
I love them so much.
More power!
More power!
You want to know what the biggest difference was? More power? You goddamn right, more power! More power, baby! More power, baby! More power, baby! More power, baby!
The first time he said it, like he's in the audience.
More power, baby.
More power, baby!
More power, baby!
I love him.
Everybody!
There we go. Now we got first grip on. You want to put this.
What are things you can say while fixing your bike that you can say during sex? More power, baby! You're very good with your hands, Evan.
Is that another saying?
Oh, he is wise man.
He, wise man, he know everything about bike. His name is Mr. Biker.
His name is Fat Boy Bob.
You have to barely open your mouth and say it.
Fit Boy Bob. I met your father back in Soviet Russian War.
You whore.
You are it. That hurt.
What did he say?
These are super soft. Do not strip them. They're super soft.
Torque it, baby.
More talk, baby! So much lube. That looks like shit, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That looks like diet.
I can get sandpaper and.
Smear the shit on me, yes.
Oh, that feels great.
I
No,
bet it does.
no, actually, like, you should... I like to point it in.
We're not at Twin Peaks, okay? Bless you.
Oh god!
Oh my god, are you okay? Wow.
Oh, that went right in the hole.
Is that a spicy cock? Now, here's how we have to, I know this for a fact, obviously put that on, but then you want to make sure that the grips are exactly the same.
Where the space?
Yeah. And then whatever you do, you got to commit to it. Because that glues fast.
I love them.
I don't think he can put the risers on. I'm looking at this. Your brake line's not going to be long enough.
That's what I mean.
I mean, your clutch line.
Eso es lo que ella dijo.
The clutch line?
Yeah.
It means that's what she said.
Okay, well then we'll leave it.
Entonces nos
So
vamos a dejar.
we'll be done after we put the grip on.
Entonces vamos a estar terminando.
So whiny boy here will be happy.
Para que el maricón deje de llorar. I just translated.
I figured.
Me di cuenta. It's funny because like the Spanish translation has nothing to do with how the person looks. Like you see this beefy guy, like Dwayne Johnson, when he does movies and they dub it in Spanish. He's like this guy speaking like this. It's like Dwayne Johnson. He has like this tiny voice.
Oh yeah, the people they choose to do the voiceover.
Yeah, it's like you want someone like I'm Dwayne Johnson. Yo soy la roca. It just sounds so good. Yo soy la roca. We should make a video for your international with me translating as you're speaking English.
I don't trust you enough.
I'll make words as they go.
Perfect.
So that's it for this video, guys.
I can do mirrors. Though.
If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please go and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification. And go ahead and share this with any people, of any of your Kawasaki friends that are looking at doing a handlebar job on their Vulcan Vaquero. I will catch y'all in the next one. Ride safe, y'all. Peace.